Good morning. Bella loves a bath. Yay! Okay, good morning. Let's finish the floor of the bathroom today. So when we come back from Christmas, we're ready to be tiled. I hope. Okay, so I need to modify this board. That's okay. So we get some measurement again in the bathroom, and let's do that. You doing? I got you. Nah? You wanna kill yourself? Oh, Jim's gonna cut the grass. Yay! So how about your arms? Isn't that great? Hello, my love. She always make herself busy. Even when mommy and daddy busy. Ella has come to help. She's painting like daddy. Yeah. It's no paint there, my love. Yeah. Good girl. Very good. Yes. I'll move a little bit here. I need a screwdriver.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
She wants to
Helping
open.
daddy painting now? Now we're gonna put, we're gonna paint first and then we put a screw. This,
How about here?
yeah.
You're gonna put higher here?
Yeah, something's gonna be there, but
Of course.
that's okay.
Or else the water come out.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, no problem.
What are you
I got it
doing?
already cut.
Huh?
What's happened, my love? Oh, careful. I need to buy those screws tomorrow. I'm not gonna have enough to screw everything. Yeah?
You get one drill.
Okay.
She get it.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Thank you, my love. Oh, that's daddy's screw. It's not enough already, so... Okay. Okay, everything on position. I just paint all the screw holes on counterbore. Just prevent whatever humidity go to the screws, I guess, but and to the board itself from underneath or from over. Anyway, so I don't have enough screw, but I'm gonna put a few there. But I don't really want to seal all around if I haven't got all the screw on, because you know what's gonna happen if it's not sitting down properly. Because I really would like to put epoxy all around. It's maybe the best way. What do you think? Or maybe some silicone underneath and then put epoxy on top. That's it, I ran out of screws, so I need to buy some tomorrow. So, but at least I think I can give one coat of paint. And that's it for today. Let's do that. Okay, this is what I'm going to use to seal all around the floor. And it's anti-fungus, antibacterial, anti-this, anti-that, anti-everything. They told me at City Highway this is the best. So let's put that in. Yeah, the gap's so big that I need to put epoxy. I won't put any epoxy until all the screw are in position, because as you know, things will probably move a bit. I don't want that to happen. So I need to get all my screws tomorrow, and then we'll epoxy all around. We'll see that in the next video. Tomorrow is shopping day, so and that's Christmas. So we'll see how we go. I'm laughing because I just saw Bella with a texter putting some mug next to mine. Funny. Okay, so there's just a few screws to hold the balls in position. So as I say, I need more screws. Once I put them on, we seal all around with epoxy and then another coat of paint. Careful, my assistant's coming now. Yeah, my love. Hey, my gorgeous. She wants to help me always. Ah. In the meantime, smell nice in the kitchen.
Too many flies.
Too many flies?
You want apple? No?
Yeah, that'd be good because plenty. Okay, what are you doing? Oh, you're brushing your teeth, mommy? She brushing your teeth, okay?
No!
Okay, lunchtime. That was a nice surprise from JM. It's beautiful. That's it. Okay, the bathroom, it's finished until Monday. Tomorrow shopping, after tomorrow Christmas Eve. We're gonna clean up the garden around because it's really messy. Okay, and this table is gonna go back to what it was. Oh, my wife works so hard. She just brought this. Good girl. Okay, nice and clean. I put my Mio back here. Mimi's there with JM. Okay, good clean up. It's good. Okay, that's it for this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.